In today's video, I am going to teach you how to do a customer journey map on Miro. Start by opening your Miro board. This can be a new board or an existing one where you want to plan a customer experience. Give yourself a little space on the canvas so the journey map is easy to read and edit. Next, go to the left sidebar and click the Templates icon. Templates are a fast way to build structured diagrams in Miro without starting from a blank canvas. Once the template panel opens, move to the search bar at the top. Type Customer Journey Map into the search field. As you type, Miro will filter the results and show matching templates. Look through the results and select the Customer Journey Map template. Choosing the official template helps ensure you get the standard layout, with sections that are designed for mapping a customer experience from start to finish. After you select the template, click the blue Use Template button. This tells Miro you want to add it directly onto your board. Now you will place it onto the canvas. Click in the center of your canvas to drop the map in place. Centering it is a helpful starting point because you can expand outward as you add details or add supporting notes nearby. Once the template is on your board, go to the top left area of the map and find the Persona Name text box. Double-click directly on the words Persona Name to edit the text. You should see a cursor appear, which means the field is ready for typing. Now type your target customer's name. Use a simple, clear label that your team will recognize, such as a role-based name or a persona label you already use internally. Keeping the persona name consistent helps everyone stay aligned while filling out the rest of the journey map later. At this point, your customer journey map template is inserted, placed on the canvas, and personalized with the correct persona name. That covers everything you need to know.